Hello YouTube friends, I'm Dora and this is Trevor. Today we're going to be talking in our language, Guugu Yimithirr. On the table here we have some items that we will be telling you more about in our language. So let's get started. Okay, this is a spear. We call it in our language kalka. And the kalka is used for hunting fish. Traditionally, it was used for hunting bigger animals like the kangaroo. But today, we only use it for fishing, to get fish. Men usually throw the spear.
I throw the spear. Ngayu kalka tambar. Repeat after me. Ngayu kalka tambar. One more time. Ngayu kalka tambar. Ngayu kalka tambar.
This is a woomera. In our language, we say milpir. We use the milpir to give power to the spear. And you attach it to the spear like this. Then that will be ready for throwing, to give the spear the force.
I put warmer on the spear. Ngayu milpir dakil kalkawi. Ngayu milpir dakil kalkawi. Ngayu milpir dakil kalkawi.
This is a digging stick. You can see the sharp point there. We call this kana. We use the digging stick to dig for yam and other root vegetables in the bush.
I make digging stick. Ngayu kana balkal. Ngayu kana balkal. Ngayu kana balkal. One more time. Ngayu kana balkal.
These two sticks are called fire sticks. In our language, we call that bulal. Now, you just can't get it from any tree. The special tree for these two sticks is called the tukulka. And if you don't have any matches or if you don't have any lighter in the bush, you will put this on the ground and start rubbing the two sticks together and you'll get your fire.
I make fire stick. Ngayu bulal bakal. Ngayu bulal bakal. One more time. Ngayu bulal bakal.
This is a dilly bag. In our language, we call it pachi. And this pachi is made from special grass in the bush, which we call pachin. We use the dilly bag to carry things. I make the dilly bag. Ngayu pachi palkal. Now let's say that together. Ngayu pachi palkal. Again. Ngayu pachi palkal. One more time. Ngayu pachi palkal. Okay, this is a palm leaf trough. In our language, we call it bila. Now, bila was used for carrying babies, carrying food, and they're usually from our special palm that we call dupi. I make palm leaf trough. Ngayu bila balkal. Let's say that again. Ngayu bila balkal. Again. Ngayu bila balkal. One more time. Ngayu bila balkal. In this lesson, we talked about tools, artifacts, and weapons. This is the end of the lesson. So, goodbye. Namakara.